Yo guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday. Snow na Wednesday ngayon. Actually kagabi pa nag-i-snow Tuesday. So ngayon may pa-pizza yung company namin. Kasi yung ibang production is hanggang Friday na lang. Ang galing, may pakonsuelo sila, nagpa-pizza sila para sa lahat. Sana sinabay-sabay na lang lahat. Tapos nito, no, tong Friday, next week meron ulit yung hanggang yung April 2 ang next ata na mawawala sila. Unti-unti na nagbabawas, tapos kami April 10. Buti na lang guys, hindi ganon ka-snow yung kalsada. Siguro kagabi naglinis na sila, kaya konti lang yung snow. Pero pag snowstorm dito, grabe. Nandito na tayo guys. Tara guys, pasok na muna tayo. Malapit ko na guys, hindi na magagamit to. Guys, papakilala ko lang sa inyo si Mr. Pastor. Say hi to my vlogs.
Hello, hi vlogs.
Ba?
Ay, di ba na-extend na yung ano?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi! Hi, vlog.
So guys, break na namin. Pizza time. Oh, say hi. Hi.
Vlogger pa dito.
Hi. Last day nyo na, di ba? Oh, hi, hi.
Hi. DJ
Ayan! Nasa YouTube na tayo ngayon.
Max na Nagini.
I watched Shannon's face. His crowd work is hilarious. Oh. He has nothing new. I haven't seen I know what I get. That's it. That's Samsung 25. That's 25. They made a 26 now. They're out with 26.
Sinabi mo pa kasi na may namatay dun.
Malalaman din naman yun.
That's a key.
Substitution seniority too. I'm looking for your boss.
And he comes off really smooth too.
Don't go like all of a sudden everybody and just form a line, one by one, two by two, three by three, whatever. It's a small room. Take maybe 2 slices for the first round.
And then
For the second round. Because I mean, if you want more, of course. Yeah, then that's what I There you go. All right. Okay.
Uy,
Your drinks?
I don't drink that.
Chicken wings, right?
Ayuda ngayon.
Chicken wings.
For what?
Chicken wings.
No, you deserve it.
Kunin mo tapos ito dito.
Hindi na gumawa sa green floor.
Anyone who's looking for a
Gascon single. Introduce yourself, Gascon. Come on. Get posted on YouTube.
See if I get this over here first. You gotta have some money. Can't bring somebody over here and have no money. But his bum doesn't like it, 'cause his bum went over there.
They don't want to food, they bring it.
So guys, yung lidha namin di makagalaw, naka 7 slice na pizza. Oh. Tsaka yung mga single dyan na mga mga dalaga na age 25, pinatapat tong tropa namin, naghanap na ng asawa to. So back to work muna kami, guys. Yo guys, natapos na naman ang ating araw. Uy, sana natapos na rin tong snow. So ayun guys, napakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kadami yung mga Pilipino, no. Sa afternoon shift pa lang yon. So wala pa yung morning shift doon, tsaka yung evening shift. So ganun kadami ang Pilipino, guys. Ngayon may pakain pa silang pizza na ngayon doon, yung mga midnight shift. So kami, pauwi na kami. So tara guys, let's go. Buti na lang guys, tumigil na yung snow. Sana ito na yung last na snow. April na eh. Malapit na ako sa bahay guys. Hindi na ako makakapag-gym guys kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. May isip at ubo ako. Dahil to sa sa mask. So anyway guys, tatapusin ko na yung vlog ko dito. Thank you na lang ulit sa panonood nyo. Try natin bukas ulit. Okay? Salamat ulit sa suporta nyo. Bye bye. Peace.